Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a rectangular paper box for keeping your lip glosses and lip balms. So this is a very cute rectangular box and it is useful too. So I just made this especially for keeping lip balms and lipsticks, or you can even keep lip glosses. So I have 3 lip glosses over here, and you can just keep it over here and you can close it like this. So you guys can make this top in a bigger size, or you can even make this rectangular part in a bigger size so that you can fit bigger things like this. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper makeup pouch, so you guys can visit that as well. So it's a really big makeup pouch and you can even keep lip glosses and everything, but this one you can only keep like only lip glosses or something like that, rectangular in size. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute box which we can store makeup in. So now I just got a box and I'm just going to be taking a few more materials. So the materials we need for this craft are a scissor, a glue bottle, a square piece of paper and another square piece of another color paper. Then we're going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper, and I'm going to be taking a small piece of paper like this and a black marker. So you guys can use any color paper you like, and if you guys can be doing some decoration, or you're going to be sticking, like if you can just take a paper and you can cut circles and you can stick all around it. So if you're going to be doing things like that, you can take different colors of paper. So I'm just going to be taking these out until for some time so that it will be nice and perfect in size. So if you guys see, I've also created like a small cute design over here. So to get started, I'm just going to be making a paper box. So this is for like the top and bottom part. So if you guys have any rectangular piece of paper like this, you can even stick it, but that won't be strong enough. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box, so you can even visit that for more information. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this. Now I'm turning the paper and I'm folding the paper in half in the opposite side. The next step is that I'm just going to be folding all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point like this. So next step is that I'm just going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. So if you guys feel like I'm going fast, you can stop the video. So you guys can stop the video if you like, as I said. So now after we complete folding the paper, I'm just going to be opening any 2 sides of the paper, and I'm going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle point like this. Next step is that I'm going to be folding the 2 bottom parts of the paper to the top. Now I'm turning this paper and I'm going to be folding these 2 parts over here. So this you guys do not have to do this step, but if you do it, it'll be easier to fold the box and it'll be perfect. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on this side of the paper. So I'm just going to be making a box like structure. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step for making the paper box. So you guys can fast forward the video if you like, or you can even stop it if you're not completed yet. So you also don't forget to check out my video of making a paper box. So meanwhile, I have a riddle for you. So try to check out and find out if the word heart is in the dictionary or not. So you can now find it in any dictionary, and you can, if you know the answer, comment in the comment box. So please wait for a sec until I complete this. I only have a bit more left. So meanwhile, you guys can take your materials if you haven't done yet, or you can just check out my community post, or you can even watch my videos, and you can also comment in my videos as well. So by the time you wait, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I'm almost going to be completed, as I said. So you guys can take the same color paper, different color paper, or anything you like. I'm just going to be taking one box in one color paper and the other box in the color paper. I'm just made this rectangle. So now we've completed with the 2 boxes. So next I'm just going to be doing the middle part, which is the important part since it holds the thing, because we can't fit these 2 over here. So now I'm just going to be making this stand. So this is not compulsory to make this design. I just made it, so I'll show you guys how to make it later. It's really easy. So now the next step is that I'm just going to be folding the paper in half. And I'm going to be folding it in half one more time. And I'm going to be folding it in half one last time. So we'll have like 8 pieces now. Now I'm just going to be opening this paper like this. I'm turning the paper and I'm just going to be folding the paper according to the folds we did like this. So if you guys can just take 4 papers and stick it together like that. But I'm going to be doing this step since it will be easier and thick and folding. So I'm just going to be cutting this over here a little bit because it's not perfect in size. I just want to make it really equal and even. Next step is that I'm just going to be cutting over here as well. If you guys have any uneven parts, you can do this. So now I'm just going to be rolling this paper along the lines we folded. So as you guys saw, I'm just going to be doing it like this. So it's not compulsory. You can just take 4 pieces and you can just do it, or you can even take 5 and do it. But if you do this, it'll be nice and thicker and it won't get off quickly and can last for a long time. So also don't forget to check out my channel, and you can find more interesting videos. I post like about 2 to 3 videos per week. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. So please wait a second, I'm going to apply glue. So now I've completed applying glue, and I'm just going to be sticking it to complete the look. So if you guys have any excess parts over here, after we stick it, I'm just going to be cutting it slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be keeping one finger over here from both the hands, and I'm just going to be making the corners nice and strong. So I'm going to be taking the top part and I'm going to be closing it now. So you guys can just keep one part here. So if you made it like in a smaller size, you guys can insert it inside the box like this. And if you made it in a bigger size, you can just stick it outside the box. So it's depending upon your wish. If you took the wrong size, you can just insert it over here. So now I'm just going to be pushing a little bit over here. So one more point is that if you're going to be sticking it outside, it might be like folded like this. You're supposed to be opening it and you're supposed to be pushing it from both the sides. So now I completed the bottom part. Actually this one looks more cuter than this one since it's folded like that. So now I'm just going to be keeping this one. So I'm just going to be keeping this one inside as well. But if you keep it like a really small size, it will be going like that. So I'm just going to be taking this one which is bigger in size, and I'm just going to be pushing it. And I'm going to be using this one for the closing part over here at the top. So now I'm just going to be keeping this over here at the bottom part slowly like that. So you guys can complete that later. So now our box is ready, and I'm just going to be sticking one more designful part over here. So for the design, you guys can do anything. So I'm just going to be taking a piece of paper like this, and I'm just going to be cutting out a perfect size that will match for this one. So you guys can cut any size you like. Now you can write anything you like. So I'm just going to be drawing a small circle over here, and I'm just going to be like drawing a small cute face, like a bear face or something. So it looks like a really cute bear. So I'm just going to make it in a really simple way. I'm not going to be complicating it too much. You guys can decorate it if you want. So I just drew a cute teddy over here, and I'm just going to put in dots all around the paper like this. So please wait a sec until I complete this. So if you guys want, you can even color it in like this. So it's depending upon your wish. So now I've completed. So as you guys see, it's looking really cute. If you guys want, you can even keep like big dots over here. It can't be seen properly, but it'll be like highlighted and it can be seen. If you guys zoom close to it, you will be able to see this. So now we've completed, and I'm just going to be applying some glue at the back part of this piece of paper. So if you guys did something wrongly, you can use the other side if you want. I'm just going to be taking this over here, and I'm going to be sticking this part slowly like this. So it will take it some time, so please do this slowly. So I'm just going to be taking this over here, and I'm going to be cutting the excess parts over here as I said. Now we've completed cutting this out. So after we complete this, our paper box for storing lip gloss or lip balm or lipstick and everything is ready. So you guys can make it in a really useful way, and you can just store many things. If you guys want, you can even use the makeup pouch, and you can even put this inside the pouch if your size of your pouch is bigger. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So many of you guys asked about what marker I'm using. So this is a whiteboard marker. So now I'm just going to be telling you guys one thing. So if you guys find out this as I showed you guys this name of the heart over here, and if it's in a dictionary or not, I will be giving a shout out if you're a channel. So that's all. So keep continuing to watch my channel, and I post videos 3 days in a week. Thank you for watching. Bye.